My whole life just...
Welcome back to the apartment. This is a beautiful day about 2 weeks ago when I was nasally and stuffy from allergies. So I asked for books for my birthday in July and I got a ton, so reading has turned into one of my favorite hobbies at the moment, and I don't know what it is. I just like touching the pages and book smell. I didn't know that I would like that. I've been watching Good Trouble on Hulu and I'm already almost done with the last season after 2 weeks, and I'm honestly not ready to live without it yet. Oh, and we also have to talk about our new kitten, Mochi. She literally popped into our lives out of nowhere. But before we get into all of that, let's get the day started.
Yeah. Play it back when it's over, back when it's over, back when it's over. I want back when it's back when it's over. The way you touch my shoulder. I want back when it's over, the back when it's over. I tried to walk straight, but I'm stumbling down. Tried to walk away, but I'm coming back now. I knew I needed you, but I didn't know how. Why I try so hard. Don't know what to do when it's making me cry. Don't know what to feel, I don't understand.
Remembering that I could braid my hair is probably like the best thing that could have happened to me recently, because when my hair looks bad, I'm just like, oh, let's just pretend this is intentional and just put it into braids. And then all of a sudden my hair looks cute. My part of my hair that used to be blonde is still very much dead, which is very sad, but what can you do? Mochi! It's a good day to be alive. Look at this. This is a cute hairstyle. I'm a cat mom. This is my cat mom hairstyle. She loves to play with these. Okay, I'm just gonna be... that was stupid. I'm just gonna be home all day, but do you want to see my outfit? I'm gonna show you, so I hope you want to see it. This is my stay home outfit because it's really usually hot. No, because it's hot outside. In here, it's like cool, but I have like a problem where I sweat like a lot, like way too much. Like I can just be thinking about something that makes me slightly just like a feeling, and I'll start sweating profusely. I just get hot fast. That everything I say is like such a long explanation, and it stresses me out. Like I'm getting hot. I'm getting oh my god. But yeah, I love this. It's just like a nice soft color scheme. I feel good. I feel good. I'm really hungry, so let's go make some breakfast.
I discovered mini Eggos, and I'm a firm believer that mini versions of things taste better because I've never been proven wrong in this department. And I cut up some fruit on the side for a good processed food to natural food ratio. And something about me is I seriously do make my food look pretty almost every time I make something for myself. Just because I think pretty food tastes better, and I like to have a whole experience even if I'm alone. I don't know. I'm weird. I know this isn't the most balanced breakfast in the world, but I struggle with eating breakfast, so I just told myself to make a goal to at least eat something in the morning every day, and this definitely makes me feel better than eating nothing, so I'm proud of myself for that.
Okay, so we have like kind of a lot to talk about. Apartment decor updates. So I need to give you guys a room tour. Like I'm gonna make a whole video on that. I'm just adding like 2 or 3 more things to the walls, but I do want a new bed frame too, so it just like keeps getting pushed back because I keep falling in love with like more stuff, and I'm like waiting for my checks to hit so I can get all that stuff and then give you guys a room tour. But I will show you some new things that I did add just because like why not? You'll see a bunch of new stuff in the room tour anyways. So here's some new things I added to my room that make it look like so much more cute and homey, because having a new apartment, like my first apartment, like you live so many months with just like white walls and like not very cozy vibes because decor and furniture is expensive.
So this is where our TV used to be, and we ended up taking it out and putting it in our living room instead. So now we have space for this cute little setup here. And let me tell you how this has changed our lives, because My boyfriend sleeps like really horribly, and we would just end up like watching a lot of TV in here, and it didn't feel that relaxing. But now we just like chit chat and read and draw in here, and it's more of a relaxing energy, which makes us have better sleep somehow. It was just all around a really good idea. I'm not really sure what direction I want to go in for my bed sheets, so for a quick fix I just got this $30 Target Room Essentials duvet cover, and it's just white and pretty, gives very much hotel vibes, and it's very cozy and just simple for the time being, but it was a nice little update that improved our lives a little.
Okay, I told myself that I'm gonna focus on one room at a time, but that was a lie because now I'm hyper fixated on the living room. I bought a couch like a week and a half ago and it was in stock, so it's coming today. I got a sectional, it's white buccal, like the same fabric as this. It reminds me of like a bunch of little like balls. My daughter wants to sit with me, so I wanted this texture also in the living room. I'm not down for matching furniture, but I just feel like it's such a, like, I fell in love with white couches. Unfortunately I wanted a colorful one, but I fell in love with a white one, so I was like, at least like I want to have some texture to the white so it's more unique, I guess. Hello, we did not sell our couch yet. It's listed but no one has bought it, so I'm just gonna have to figure out where to put the couch like right now so the mover people can move the other couch in. Yeah, my apartment's not that big, like a nice 700 square feet. Like, I don't know where I'm gonna put a whole other couch. Like, I didn't really think this through. My whole life just revolves around me fixating on like a room in my apartment to decorate because that's all I want. I just want a cozy space and to be able to take naps whenever I want. That's as far as my dreams go right now. I'm kidding, but I'm not kidding. It's not a heavy...
I don't think like that, she says to me. I can't help but feel the subtleties. So if it all expires, I guess the date's not what it seems. But I can't help.
I'm really nervous, I can't even lie. I hope it fits, and I hope the people are nice.
I'm not sure I truly gave my best. Made a home but still feel like a guest. If I've made just one mistake, it's not speaking with my chest. Maybe I'll just cry a little less. The tension, headaches always get to me. Often leave me dazed and wondering. So do you mind if we rewind? Cause my mind's on other things.
It's
but
beautiful! I'm so excited! We're just screwing on the little couch setup. Boring. See you when it's done. We finally got her unboxed and she's beautiful. Oh my gosh. It's literally so huge. The fabric is perfect and it fits like a lot of people. I don't know if you can like get that across on camera. I didn't even think it was gonna fit in our living room, but I'm obsessed with it and Mochi's obsessed with it. She's been napping on the couch for the past hour. This long part is life-changing. I just sat here and responded to emails for a little bit and Mochi napped with me. She's still like coming out of her nap. She's a little sleepy. It also came with these matching pillows, which made me so happy because it makes it more cozy. And something I love about this sectional is that it has like a little latch, like 2 latches that we attached on the bottom under it, and it keeps the sectional from like coming apart, which is amazing because like most sectionals, like they scooch apart and you're always like pulling it back together. An embarrassing amount of time thinking about couches was spent to find this, but my point is I can't believe I just clicked like 2 buttons. I ordered it and then like people literally had to like bring it to me like in a truck, like 2 dudes had to come bring it and like figure out how to get through my apartment building and all that. Like, I'm just so grateful and I just can't believe it. It feels like magic. The magic of people's hard labor. I'm not delusional. But yeah, I'm gonna find a way to do like a renter-friendly, like sheer curtain hack to replace these ugly little blinds. And I have a rug that I'm buying, a coffee table, I'm getting a new media console, mounting the TV. I'm getting like a little arch floor lamp, I'm thinking, and there's gonna be a cat tower. It's gonna be so cozy and nice, and I'm just so excited for it to like come together. Because if I'm gonna talk to anybody way too much about my furniture decisions, it's gonna be to you. Sorry, pal. Okay, so I'm kind of in a rush. I just got out of the shower, I did a hair mask, and now I'm doing a face mask because in less than 2 hours, I have to be ready to leave for a film photo shoot with my boyfriend. The photographer is my friend Ethan. He's super cool. You should follow him. But the thing is, I didn't pick out my outfits yet. I should have done that yesterday. I have a pimple, so I'm doing a face mask from Glow Recipe. It's their hyaluronic clay one that's hydrating. Love it. Love Glow Recipe. I would love to be buried with some Glow Recipe products if that's possible. I think I want my casket to resemble their packaging because their packaging is just like so cute. But that's like a little bit dark of a conversation for right now. I'm just gonna let you guys watch me spiral into chaos and somehow get through the day with perfect timing. And I'll bring you with me to the photo shoot because that'll be fun. We're going to like a whole studio and everything. Wow, I somehow got myself together and we got to the studio on time. I have no idea how that happened because me doing my makeup, hair, and picking out outfits and putting them on in 2 hours is literally unheard of. But anyways, here's a little studio mini vlog. Enjoy! It's really cute here, and I felt ugly on the drive here, but now I don't feel ugly anymore, so that's cool. Zach's here. He's about to take his headshots, and he looks handsome.
Not even mine.
Just casually holding your undies. I love that for you.
It was late at night. You tossed and turned as thoughts began to play. How can this be life? Every day I would just waste away, saving up the time to spend it all on mindless entertainment, as if we'd find some sort of reason behind this need to survive. We could
After the shoot, we went to Korean barbecue for dinner to end the night, and it's a new day, so we're just cleaning up, reading, and centering ourselves after our super busy day yesterday. To get you up to speed, I'm so tired in these clips, and my allergies annoyed me so bad that I ordered an air purifier as soon as I woke up.
I woke up with a stuffy nose and like congested throat, and like everything in my face feels inflamed. My pimples even bigger from yesterday. And I just can't be healthy YouTube raimi right now. So we're having Apple Jacks and milk.
Sponsor us.
Don't come for me. I eat cereal and I love it. But it is an ongoing thing, because if you watch my very first video that popped off, I had like a whole speech about like, what the fuck is cereal? Like, is it styrofoam pieces? Like, there's no way that this is some kind of natural thing. But yeah, today we're just gonna chill and work, but snuggly edition.